Hey guys, quick video here. I'm going to keep my ugly mug out of it this time and just talk about the tires and wheels that I got. So, if you saw the last video, I showed you the KO2s, 285/75, 17, basically a 34 1150. You know, the more I thought about it, I decided to go ahead and get some aftermarket wheels anyway. You know, in the future, if I want to run 35s, heck, you're going to have different wheels to get the offset where you need it so everything doesn't rub up under the fenders and everything. So I went ahead and picked these up from Discount Tire on sale. They had a good promotion going on. These are the American Outlaw Lonestar Wheels, 17 by 8.5 and positive 10 offset. And personally, I think they look pretty cool. So here's what they look like on the Jeep. This is again the positive 10 offset, 8.5 inch width. I think it's perfect. It brings the tread out even with the fender. The sidewall's just a little bit farther out and the tread is right there with the fender. So I think that's perfect. Shouldn't, one of the things I was concerned about living out here on these gravel roads is throwing gravel all over my paint. With most of the tire still under the fenders, I should be in pretty decent shape. So here, let me show you this other side so you can compare. See how the stock wheel and tire sits way back under the fender there. And I've already got the other one on the front. So just a little bit more offset to get them out there even with the fenders. And overall, it's a drastic difference, I think. These firecracker red Jeeps, they just look really good with black wheels. So anyway, quick update to kind of show you what they look like. As the miles rack up on these tires, I'm going to be doing some reviews on those. We're going to, like I told you, we're going to subject them to everything, all conditions. And we'll see how they wear on these JLs. See what kind of life we get out of them and how they do on and off road. Alright guys, I'm going to get out of here and finish this up before it gets dark on me. You guys take care. Have a good weekend.